Hey everyone, welcome back to Digital Growth Tutor. In today's video, I'm going to show you the best ad image sizes for Facebook and Instagram so your ads look clean, professional, and give you the best results. Using the right image size is very important because Meta shows your ads in many different placements: feed, stories, reels, marketplace, and more. If your image is the wrong size, it can get cropped, stretched, or lose quality, and that can hurt your performance. So, let's go through the recommended sizes one by one. Number 1, square image, 1:1 ratio. Recommended size, 1080 by 1080 pixels. This is the most popular size for Facebook and Instagram feed. It works well for image ads, carousel ads, boosted posts, and page promotion ads. Square images are safe and clean, and they look good on almost every placement. Number 2, vertical image, 4:5 ratio. Recommended size, 1080 by 1350 pixels. This size takes more vertical space on the screen, especially on mobile, which means more attention and higher engagement. Use this for Instagram feed, Facebook feed, and single image ads. If you want maximum visibility, this is one of the best formats. Number 3, story and reels image, 9:16 ratio. Recommended size, 1080 by 1920 pixels. This is the full screen vertical format, perfect for Facebook stories, Instagram reels, and Facebook reels. If you're running video ads, this is the ideal size. For images, try to keep important text and visuals in the middle to avoid cropping. Number 4, landscape image, 1.91:1 ratio. Recommended size, 1200 by 628 pixels. This size works well for article previews, website click ads, and desktop placements. It's not ideal for mobile ads feed, but great for link click campaigns. Try to add multiple sizes in a single ad so Meta can place your ad everywhere. That's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and follow Digital Growth Tutor for more easy marketing guides.